Hello, friends! Do you want to know where milk comes from? Let's see. Cows love fresh grass. Crunch, munch, munch. When cows eat grass, they make milk. Milk goes into bottles, ready for home. Now milk is ready to drink, white and tasty. Thank you, cow. Good job. Now you know where the milk in your glass comes from.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning.